At Davis High, we have many students who qualify as homeless. This place will be an area where they can find help with sleep, school, and life needs.
Grateful that I could be an advocate for these kids who need help the most, to help them fill in the gaps of whatever it may be, if it's having food on the table when they get home or having help with their academics while they're here, just anything that they need, just to know that I'm someone that they can come to when they have a problem that comes up.
This is what happens when we come together as a community. This is something we can all agree on, taking care of our own students. So thank you for your goodness and for your generosity.
I will tell you that the people in Davis County are the most compassionate, empathetic, generous people I have ever met. I have watched a miracle happen. We opened our first center in 2021. And in 2025, we complete the project with 10 centers. This represents the greatness and the true commitment to not only education, but to humanity that Davis County has.